Happy Saturday to you. I've already put out one video today, I think. It was to another channel. I just got doing some painting around the house and looking at some of the projects that I've got going and trying to figure out what software projects I want to work on right now. It's a little warm here, but I'm still thinking about it. I've got a potential startup on the East Coast that contacted me to come join them, and that'll take a while to see if there's a there. Got a customer who's still trying to finish up their business deal. See if there's a there too. Oh, I'm rocking my COVID haircut. Even right now, our barber still isn't open, so everything is sort of make do. But that's what we have to do right now in this economy, in this COVID economy, is make do. Do the best we can with what we've got given. Speaking of which, getting more mail nowadays, that is quite interesting. One of my customers and one of my service providers filed for bankruptcy. Well, they're not related, but I got two pieces of mail now with bankruptcy information coming to me. Quite interesting times. They're big companies. I'm sure they'll survive. But it's interesting to see this happening where I'm listed as someone they owe money to, and even the service provider I paid in advance, and unfortunately they're going bankrupt. So what can you say? Beyond that, I'd like to hear what projects you're working on, what projects you're thinking about doing. If they're tech related, most of my stuff is tech related. If they're not, I'd love to hear about them. Post something down below, and I'll read them. I've tried to respond to everyone. Unfortunately, not many people are watching. I've only got a couple dozen subscribers right now, but I'd love to hear what you're working on and see if I can add to that and maybe respond to some requests. I know I've got a video that I have to respond to, or a request that I have to respond to for how to deal with late pays and things of this nature. But anyway, such is the nature of business. Most people, when they work 9 to 5, they hit a weekend and they're off doing something. For me, I do my things during the weekdays sometimes, or whenever I want. But it's a Saturday, and what's there to do? There's no shopping, there's nothing going on. I can only watch so much TV, and I can only watch so much YouTube channels. So I'm looking at what potential projects I can be working on. Something that would be fun and easy, and just personally satisfying, and maybe financially satisfying. I don't know. The ones that have always been personally satisfying have turned out to be financially satisfying later, because they tend to open up a door to a customer I didn't know existed, who ran across my work and goes, "Wow, can you do that for me?" So anyway, that's where we're at. I may go back and work out for a couple hours, trying to work my upper body since my injury, trying to build the shoulders back up and build the pearled arms back up. I had a my bicep dislodged from my lower arm, or detached, so that surgery was fun, putting me back for a while. I learned how to do everything left-handed for a couple months. I mean, everything. So you make do with where you're at in life, and you roll with the punches. And if it's surgery, or the economy, or the local pandemic, whatever it is, you make do with it. But anyway, enough said about that. If you have some interesting ideas you want to talk about, put them in the comments. And also, please, this channel will never be a monetary channel that I could ever imagine, but subscribe. Every time someone subscribes, and I've got another subscriber or two, it makes me excited, and I want to do some more videos and talk about more things and get more involved. So thank you very much. Subscribe, put a notification bell on, and have a good Saturday, maybe a good barbecue tomorrow, the Labor Day this weekend. So I'll probably be working on a project. Hopefully you'll be doing something fun. And take care.